Died literally on the way here. It was insane the ways we were going this way for a whole hour. I think we're here already. Guys, my expectations were high. And I'm scared. There's no Wi-Fi here, so I don't know how I'm gonna post this video. I don't know how I'm gonna survive. Okay, they have butter chicken for dinner and samosas. They're good. So, food is goated. It's day, and why are you looking at that? It's day one, and all it's done is rain today. So all we've done is literally eat breakfast, lay down. I wrapped Christmas presents because it's Christmas Eve, and we're going to eat lunch while we're walking in the rain under an umbrella. But it is pretty. It's just we can't do anything. But wrong way again. But Santa's coming tonight at 6 p.m. I think, so there's like a Christmas Eve dinner and stuff, so maybe that will be something to do, but I think we're just gonna chill today. We might go swimming after this, right? Oh, okay, we're gonna go eat lunch. This is our lunch place. Dick's place. Oh, there's people in the pool. Look, someone got engaged. Yeah, they did. You too.
They did not.
Go renew your vows right there. I'm waiting for Aiden's food. I got a whole chicken. We're setting up our Fijian Christmas tree. Am I saying that right?
At least it's not snow.
It's rained all day long.
Where's he gonna put the
But
Pocket.
this is our dinner outfit on Christmas Eve. Look at your cute flower. Fit check. You're supposed to say where you got everything from.
I have one piece of clothing on.
Where's it from?
Where do you think?
Shein.
Yes.
Where's the shoes from?
Also Sheen.
Where's the bracelet from?
This is Pandora.
Okay.
This is Pandora. This is Pandora. And this is from Nurse Bree.
What about your necklace?
Got that specialty made online because it has my kids' names on it.
Your turn, Dad.
Emily, Aiden, and Gavin.
It's so cute. Your turn.
I bought my shirt from the place in Fiji store.
It's called what?
And my flip-flops are from Costco.
From Goodwill. And
And
where
my
your
bunions,
by chance?
where your bunions from?
they're from an accident.
And where's your shorts from?
Lent.
These are Old Navy.
Wow. Where's your necklace from?
I don't know.
Online, I think too. Come on, Lint.
Why is his name Lint? He's giving European a little bit.
Yeah, that's okay.
There's supposed to be complimentary drinks for tonight. I just put my hair in a little blue bow to match my dress. There's our little, I forget what it's called, a bure or something. Little cabin. Whatever. Oh, or the deck of cards.
Go get the deck of cards. Who's carrying the deck of
I'm
cards?
not fucking all that.
We have an hour to kill before dinner.
We're on our way to go see Santa.
Santa! We're gonna be late for him.
And he's coming on a golf cart. And
Probably
he has
I missed them
presents.
because you guys are taking so long.
Aiden was taking so long because he had to change 3 times. Aiden was taking so long. Santa's coming on on the golf cart.
Santa.
This man doesn't move at all. Good morning. It's Christmas morning.
Hello, it's Christmas morning.
And we have matching t-shirts. It's what time? 8:30?
8:30.
8:30.
And we're going to breakfast
Bye.
in the rain. As they walk away. And here's our finished Christmas. Oh, we gotta turn the lights on for it. We're walking in the rain.
That's probably why.
We ran back.
What is this? That's a kiwi bird.
Christmas tree, Christmas tree, lights are so cheap. Christmas tree, Christmas tree, lights are so cheap. Lovely green, but summer's here. Christmas tree, Christmas tree.
It's 11:30 and it's still raining. I just read some of my book. We opened the Christmas presents. And we're gonna go play the board game that I got Aiden for Christmas by the pool. And probably swim.
No, that is attack. That doesn't pick up.
Oh, right. You don't have to play a card. Right.
Look at the dragon fruit here.
Watch as Emily turns into a vampire when she eats that.
She already has pink teeth.
Good? Move it. But they're pink on the inside.
Have you ever had a dragon fruit?
I've had a bite of that.
They're quite tasteless.
I don't like it.
Try it.
But no, I had it. I don't like it.
Got a bacon burger and fries. How is it, Mother?
I think so.
It's good? It looks good. It's raining again. We just went swimming. I read like half of my book. And I think we're gonna go shower before Christmas dinner. It's like at 6 or 6:30. Fit check. We took a little nap. And now we're going to dinner on Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
And we'll hope it's good food. Back here for round 3. Look at my new little purse I got for Christmas from Bo. So cute. Oh, it's dead. At least it's not. Oh, it looks pretty actually. Aiden, why did the scarecrow win a Nobel Prize?
Why are prawns so hard?
Here's our Christmas
I
dinner.
don't know.
You can hear the church service from our balcony. It is finally not raining on our fourth day here, I think. So we're walking to breakfast early so we can go find a spot by the pool. last night at a place that we're not going to choose to come to again. Called, what's it called, Mom? Musket Cove. It rained all the time. We never got towels.
Service is bad.
They never had any activities.
They never had any
No
activities.
And charge us extra.
You don't get any drinks, you only get water, and you have to like beg for
And the
it.
food ain't so hot.
And the food wasn't that good. But today we got sun. So that's what we're gonna be grateful for. And we'll hope that the next place is even better. We're gonna eat our last dinner. Woo!
We go to Team G of Jeff. The
There's our little house.
Goodbye, shithole.
Goodbye place that has no Wi-Fi
It sucks.
and has animals instead of it,
And
and
charges too much.
hopefully next place is better. But we will see. Do you have hope? No? We'll see.